Hi, I'm Rox from Prosperna. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software tools to help you grow your business. Today, I'm here to show you how to set up Google Analytics on your website. Setting up Google Analytics helps you analyze your website traffic as well as visitor activity. You can use this information to measure your website's growth and determine who your audience is. Here's how to do it. Part 1. Create an account. Go to google.com/analytics. Click Start for free. Log in using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, just click on Create Account and set up one for free. Once you log in, click Set up for free. Add an account name and leave the recommended options ticked. Click Next. Set your property name as your brand or company name, then set your location and currency. Scroll down and click on Show Advanced Options. Toggle the Universal Analytics Property button on. Enter your website link and choose Universal Analytics Property Only on the checkboxes. Click Next. Choose your industry category on the drop-down list. Select your company size, then tick the boxes you want to measure. Click on Create. On the pop-up, select your country and region, then tick the check boxes before clicking Accept Terms. Set your mail notifications and save. Part 2. To collect data and see reports in Google Analytics, you will need to copy the global site tag and install the tracking code on your website. The tracking code and global site tag should appear automatically after you create an account. If it doesn't, click the Admin tab in the bottom left corner. Click Tracking Info. Then, click Tracking Code. Copy the code under Global Site Tag, gtag.js. On a new tab, open your website back and then go to Settings. On the Pages category, go to the Customize tab. Scroll down to Integration and on the box that says Add Code to the head, paste the code. Click Save. Once you're done, consult your account manager to install the Google Analytics feature on your online store. Once that's installed, go back to your Google Analytics account. Go to Admin, click on Tracking Info, then Tracking Code. Copy the tracking ID and send it to your account manager. They will update you once the setup is complete. Lastly, share access to your Google Analytics to the email provided by your account manager. To share access, you need to add a user. Sign in to Google Analytics. Click Admin and navigate to the desired account or property or view. In the Account, Property or View column, click User Management. In the Account Permissions list, click Plus, then click Add Users. Enter the email address for the user's Google account. Select Notify New Users by email to send a message to the user. Select the permissions you want. Click Add. That's it for this tutorial. You can learn more about other features by reading our online knowledge base at help.prosperna.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool digital marketing content. Be sure to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For more awesome updates, you can also like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Till next time.